people, so this particular video I have to make simply since here, if you all haven't watched the movie Jawani Jani Man, just go and watch it for Alaya F, the the lead actress in the movie. I mean Tabu, the movie stars Tabu also, but Alaya F is like, now it's going to be a fan base for her because um it's her very first performance, very first outing on the big screen. But I mean, it's not just about effortless acting, but her character, and she's so real as a person that basically one is connecting with Alaya F, the person that she is. So that's I don't think any other actress could have done as much justice to her role as she did, and it is her debut film. Yeah, I mean, I couldn't get over that. I mean, it's like it's the very first time she's facing the camera and with such big actors like Saif Ali Khan and Taboo and all, and still she's able to steal the limelight in front. So it's one of the most like her performance touches your heart. It's just, you'll have to watch it, people, and watch it for Alaya F. And it is Jawani Johnny Man, which is on Amazon Prime. I had made another review of this, but I needed to make this just to you know because now I think I'm a diehard Alaya F fan. So go and watch it, people. It's a Sunday and it's so worth it, her performance. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.